Yo, first video. Should you do free work? My answer is yes. How I started this whole thing was free work. Put it this way, if you're running a business and you need to hire somebody, right? This person comes up to you and says, yo, hire me. First thing you're gonna ask is, hey, do you have experience? If they say no, what are you gonna say? Obviously you wanna hire someone with experience, so why would you wanna hire someone who doesn't qualify for the position? Free work is your gateway to networking and to leverage, to creating leverage, to create opportunities for yourself down the road. So I'll give you an example. For me, when I first started doing music videos, I didn't charge for music videos. I did them for free. I did 1, 2, 3. I got the experience, and through that experience, I took those videos. I went to a next artist and said, hey, look, this is what I've done for other artists. I can do this for you. And then they say, okay, how much do you charge? And then, that's how it starts. $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $4,000, whatever it may be. Doing free work, if you're new, definitely yes. If you're experienced and you're a professional, that's all up to you. Like if you're already a professional and someone's asking you for free work, I guess that depends on you and what position you're in. The way I see it is, if you're already a professional and you have a lot of work and a big portfolio, whatever it may be, if you're gonna do free work, it's because you're doing that person a favor. Maybe it's a passion project that you want to do and you don't mind doing because it's something you care about or that you're passionate about. Or if you're coming from a business perspective, you're gonna do that free work in order to create leverage for a next opportunity. So I'll give you an example. Say you know somebody who knows somebody else and you want to work with that somebody else. In order to get to that somebody else, do work for this person that knows the somebody else, and it can create, it's like connecting the dots. It can create like a pathway towards that person, because if they're networking, if those two people know each other, if that person sees a video or the piece of work that they've done, maybe they'll ask, well, who did your work? Who did this for you? Or if they talk, that person might say, hey, I know someone who can solve this problem for you, which is a creative problem, a video, pictures, website, whatever it may be. Or you just blatantly, you just ask that person, hey, it all comes down to strategy. It all comes down to strategy in the end. Also, if you do free work, you're creating leverage, because in the rules, I guess, of business strategy, if you watch Gary Vee, then jab, 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 right hook. So that is exactly the formula that you're creating. You're doing free, free, free. Now you're doing your ask. And that ask can be anything in terms of favors, networking, budgets, and that's what you're creating. Another thing too, say you're primarily focused on fitness like I was, doing fitness stuff. And now I want to break into another industry, automotives, cars, and things like that. Matt Delavino doesn't have much experience in cars. So how the heck can I go out to Mercedes and say, hey, can I do a video for you? Look at all these fitness videos I have. Even though I'm like the king of fitness videos. They're gonna look at you and be like, they're nice videos, but this is, I don't know if he's a guy. And we have this other guy over here who reached out to us. He doesn't have much experience, but his focus is all on cars. So he already has a better idea or a better sense for, the work that we're gonna be doing. So when you create free work, if you've ever heard of a spec project, that can line you up for your next project. So you do a spec project, like say your friend has a nice car, a Benz, Subaru, decked out, it's brand new, whatever it may be, whatever car you consider nice. You do a video for free, a spec project, and you make it high quality, and you put a lot of effort into there, and that video can line you up into the next ask for that company. So that's a perfect example of how you can benefit from free work. Matt Delavino will take free work all day. If there's someone I want to work with, I might do it for free, just to have the experience of knowing that person or working with that person. And then you never know, from there, hundreds of people might see that and they're gonna say, whoa, you worked with so-and-so? That project was amazing. Can we do some work together? You never know where it can lead. So I'm not opposed to doing free work. That's just my opinion. I hope that helps. Hey guys, I'm editing the video right now. I forgot to mention, the only time you decline free work is when you're not in a financial position to accept free work. The only time you decline free work is when you're in a financial situation where you cannot afford to accept free work. If you're in debt, if you need money, you do not accept free work. You need to get out of debt first. You need to take care of yourself first. Don't commit to other projects and give more of your time away, because you are the priority here, not somebody else. And the beautiful thing about this concept is you can take this idea, this concept, and use it towards any industry. So it doesn't matter if you're in the creative industry, you can be any other industry. Same idea, same concepts, they all work.